Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about how I use Midjourney. So I use Midjourney like 50% for creating images and 50% for searching images. So creating side, I don't create do any special prompting. It's just whatever I want about color background, what illustration style, and it just gives it to me. So I don't use any special techniques or something, but yeah, it's just a simple prompt like this which works great, and it's very fast. It's faster than whatever ChatGPT can give me, and it looks a little bit better too. Not illustrations specific as small illustrations like this, but actual like graphic images like these images. Midjourney does a good job with, and it's very fast. So I really admire the fastness of it. So it's easier for me to go in, create lots and lots of variation, and I can see which one is looks better for me. But the other 50% I use Midjourney is for searching here. So whenever I want something to go with my design, I just come in and search first, even before creating something. So illustration, wallpaper, so something like this. I search here. It usually gives like good results, and it has prompts of they created, so I can use this. And if I want something like this but something little different, I can just go and update the prompt and I can get the results I want. But this is what I use Midjourney mostly for, and this is what's a subscription, because this has like lots and lots of good ideas of if I want to create a landing page, I'll come here, I'll think about what the whole vibe is going to be, and I use colors, I use space, I use how I want everything to look like everything I decide while scrolling through here. And if I like some color palette, so if I like these color palette, I'll think about how to incorporate this color palette, and I'll use the same prompt to create whatever illustration that I need for my website. So it's very easy to get inspirations here. So yeah, that's why I use Midjourney still, and ChatGPT is not even close to getting something with this speed and this much details like in Midjourney 7 especially. So yeah, that's how I use Midjourney. It's like lots of prompts and lots of searching. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.